In this video, I'm going to demonstrate two things. I'm going to demonstrate the text to columns command, and I'm going to demonstrate the upper function. So the first thing that I want to do is split up the city and state. So I'm going to go ahead and click in cell D2, and then I'm going to insert a column so that I have some place for the state abbreviation to go when I execute the text to column command. So there I have a blank column to work in. The next thing I'm going to do is select the city-state column. Then I'm going to go to the Data tab, to the Text to Columns command. And here I want to make sure that delimited is chosen, and by delimited they mean that there's some kind of a character separating the two words. In this case there's a comma. Sometimes it's a space, sometimes it's a tab. So I'm going to click Next. I'm going to make certain over here where under delimiters that only comma is selected, and I can see my preview here that the city is in one column and the state is in another. So I'm going to go ahead and click Next, and then I am going to click Finish, and you can see here now that I have the states in a separate column. Before my next step, I'm going to go ahead and change these column headings to city and then state. And then I'm going to click in column E and go back to my Home tab and insert another column because I need a place for the results of my upper function to be displayed. So I'm going to start out here by typing equal U, and what I'm doing here is converting the state abbreviation to uppercase as it should be. So there, now I have the proper two-letter postal abbreviation for the state of Rhode Island. Now, of course, as I've done in the other videos, I'm going to need to copy this and paste it as a value so I can delete the old information. So I'm going to go ahead and select column E, which is where my proper function is at. And I'm going to click copy and then click in F2 and paste values. Now I can go ahead and select columns D and E and delete them and change the name of column 2 to state. And I have achieved the separation of those two items, and I've converted the two-letter abbreviation to all uppercase.